Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your IBAN in the BBVA app. First, unlock your phone and open the BBVA app. Make sure you are logged into your account. If the app asks you to sign in, enter your login details and continue until you reach the main screen. Once the app opens, navigate to the Home section. The Home section is the main page where you can see an overview of your banking information, such as your accounts, balances, and recent activity. Now look for your account on the home page. Usually, your main account will appear near the top of the screen. Tap on the account that you want to check. After opening your account page, look for an option called Account Details. Tap on Account Details to continue. This section shows the full information related to your bank account. On the Account Details screen, you will see different pieces of information about your account. This includes your account number, IBAN, and sometimes additional banking information depending on your region and account type. If you want to copy your IBAN, simply tap the Copy button. That is how you find your IBAN in the BBVA app. Thanks for watching.